I'm going to do another Airsoft video, and this one's the M4 electric. I don't know what this box said, but you know, what I'm going to do is drop out this mag. You can see, it's a line of mag. It's, I think, at the A17 or A11, I'm not sure, you might have to look it up. The battery will go in here. Oh my god, finger in the way again. Slide that up. The battery's in there, but I'm sorry on YouTube, I could not make a shooting video for this because, yeah, it kind of broke one day during the winter. I was just shooting it randomly, God, this thing's hard to find. There we go. Alright. It does have a really tight little sling mat right here. This one down there is just flip it down where you want. Safety on here. It's triggers metal. Down here is kind of metal. These little sling mounts are metal. If I pull this thing back, when you do that, this will open, and when you do pull it back, you just hop up right back there. The little knobs, a little dark, but this part right here is metal. Get that back up. Can't not get off. Here's my cat. Yeah, foregrip's all plastic, but you can take off this grip. If you just pull this thing down, I want to slide it out there, it'll probably get it all ruined. Let me grab something real quick.